Welcome to today's video, where we're going to walk you through the steps needed to get you started with Flarelight OnPrem. First, we are going to clone the Flarelight's GitHub OnPrem Docker deployment repository. Next, we are going to navigate to Flarelight OnPrem Docker directory and execute the setup script. We can see there are some parameters we need to configure in our .env file. First, we need a license key. You can obtain a free license key by creating a free Flarelight account, navigating to Licenses, clicking New button and selecting a free license. Next, you need to choose passwords for different services. Now you are ready to run the setup script again. Docker will now download all the required images. We are now ready to start the application using Docker compose up command. Once all the components are running, you will need to navigate to Keycloak, log in using the configured credentials and get the client secret for Flarelight App Client. Click Manage Realms and select App. Next, navigate to Clients and select Flarelight App. Go to Credentials tab, click Regenerate and copy. Next, update keycloak_client_secret parameter in your environment file. Now, run Docker compose up command again to apply the changes. You can now navigate to Control Center app. Note that, because we didn't set up email configuration, we will need to create an app user manually in Keycloak. When creating a new user, make sure to tick Email Verified and create a password. You can now use the newly created user to log in into the Control Center app. Once you are logged in, navigate to Subscriptions, click New button and create your first subscription. You can navigate to your new subscription directly from Control Center. Your Flarelight application is now configured and running locally. Thank you for watching.